Hey guys, let's talk about our trailer. What do you think?
Good.
Do you think we can live in it?
Yeah.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Forever?
Yeah.
Not forever. Well, good morning. Hey. How did you sleep last night?
Here's another one.
Mm-hmm. Did you sleep good?
Yeah.
Were you cold? You got lots of blankets on you.
I feel like that.
Uh-huh. Do you want to live in your trailer or do you want to live in the greenhouse? Here? And go to fun places?
Yeah. I'm out and
The mountains?
to see Sam.
And go see Sam. That's nice.
He's too far.
Yeah.
I take airplane.
But we have to go to the greenhouse right now, okay?
Wait.
And just get more stuff.
No. What is you?
You want to stay here?
Yeah.
I know, but we gotta go get all of our things. We didn't get any of your toys. Okay, so it's the next morning, first time in our trailer. It was a little cold, but we did stay warm. I mean, it was like 20 degrees outside last night, and we won't ever be in that kind of weather. We're still here in Utah. Nick doesn't leave for a couple more days, so we just wanted to test it out here at the campground for a night, but it was really cold. So we had the electric fireplace running. We also had this going. We had like the vented heat on, but we had it really low because we didn't want to run out of propane. We didn't have very much. So we kept it at around 60 degrees, which I think is pretty good for a fifth wheel in 20-degree weather at night. Come here, honey. Nick will probably tell you differently.
So first night, it's very cold. Like it's in the teens outside. So
it wasn't that cold. I was warm when I was sleeping with you, but when I was with Desmond, I was cold.
yeah, well, he's got a window.
Yeah.
It's cold. So we'll never be in this type of weather ever again in my life.
I'm gonna follow the sun.
It is time to go home. I'm going to start the car and we're getting the hell out of here.
Hey, Cozy, what did Ab make you?
Orange cake.
She made you a what?
Orange cake.
An orange cake? Let's
Yeah.
go see if it's ready, okay?
I did Wednesday.
It's not ready yet! Okay, you get to decorate your cake with yours. That's even better.
Probably doesn't matter now, but I did a crumb layer so you can nicely and beautifully add frosting.
Do you love your cake?
That's right.
Hey, you.
Okay, it's ready.
Come here. Hi, you. Hi. Cozy, decorate that cake.
Oh my gosh.
Look how beautiful it is.
The icing,
Is it yummy or yucky?
done the sparkle. We've got a fine bake, it's firm, not too dry and moist.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm not scared. I'm not scared to hide.
Are you scared?
No,
Good.
not anymore.
Not anymore.
I going.
Hey, Des. Are you ready? You gonna go on the airplane?
It's the third house.
Okay, so we are at one of our houses we used to live in. So this house was where we brought Desmond home, and this is when we still lived in Georgia.
This is where I got picked up by the ambulance after my surgery.
Yeah, so we spent I think a little over 6 months here, and we flipped this house. And then this is the house where we sold everything and started traveling, where we jumped from Airbnbs for about 6 months. And like we all had promptings to leave this house. Like, at least I did. I don't know if Nick did, but I always felt like we had to get out of this house. And 6 months after we left, my parents got a call because they owned the house, and that the house was on fire and it was burning down. They had some fireworks on 4th of July, and the neighbors put their fireworks in their trash can, put water on it, but it just wasn't enough. And so their house burned down, and the next door house, which was ours, burned down. So I'll show you. So this is the house that started the fire, and they finally are rebuilding it. And right here was where our house was.
What about the second house? The middle house?
Oh no, I lied. Okay. Here's house number 3. This is the house that started the fire. So they burned down this house, they burned down their house, and here was our house right here.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
So I'd like to think that my promptings were real to leave, because who knows? I know, we're gonna get out. Who knows if we would have gotten out in time, and all of our stuff would have been lost. So we're very grateful, and so we're gonna go check it out and show the kids the house.